Looking for a new scheduling tool? One where you can share your availability and let people book a time with you? Good, because I would like to show you one that will blow your mind, because it does so much more than just scheduling. This booking link is from Sessions, the most advanced meeting platform on the market that allows you to schedule, meet, recap, and do follow-ups, all in one place. As soon as someone clicks on it, it takes only seconds to book a time with you. And yes, it does do everything you'd expect from a world-class scheduling system. It lets you sync your existing calendars to avoid double bookings. It can automatically distribute bookings between members of your team. You can embed it on your website. You can link a registration form to it and gain valuable insights about your participants. It automatically sends out custom reminders, and you can collect payments. But here's the magic part. You don't need a separate app to host the meeting. Everything happens in one place. And because of this, the entire process is way more powerful and streamlined, and you don't need to pay for multiple expensive apps. You can even attach an interactive agenda to your booking. So once the meeting starts, everything is right there and ready to go. Say for example, someone booked a demo with you. You'll have your demo slides, videos, and tools right at your fingertips. During the meeting, Sessions AI Copilot will take a transcript for you, and you can ask it to create a summary and email it to everyone. Plus, instead of seeing the Sessions logo, your participants will see your logo, brand colors, and wallpaper. You can even add your custom domain, because your brand should be the hero, not ours. After a booked session has ended, its link leads to its memory, where the agenda, transcript, chat messages, and recordings are safely stored in the cloud. You can make this available to everyone or keep it private. Who knew that one collaboration platform and one meeting link could do so much? And that's just one example. There are lots more things to explore. Try it for yourself and join thousands of others who have already discovered the power of Sessions.